Well, first also welcome from my side. I mean, what we're seeing is that capacity has significantly increased. So effectively, our build-out of capacity now also shows up in the numbers. Plus, last year, we have seen a one-off effect from the Texas cold spell, which hasn't reoccurred. Plus, also, we are seeing strong results, especially from the conventional fleet, the gas fleet, in short-term optimization, because in Europe, you see a scarcity of energy supply, and that is where our flexibility is supporting and then also generating additional revenues here.
Well, I just want to ask you, another company in your peer group, Uniper, has gone down the route of getting a bailout from the German government. Is that something that you could ever envision happening for RWE as well?
No, I mean, the situation with Uniper is different to ours. I mean, the exposure we have from Russian contracts is significantly lower. And I mean, we have communicated that by now we've completely de-risked all our contracts with Russia, with the write-off already in Q1 on our coal contracts, and the remaining exposure has been reduced in the second quarter. So we are well set here. And also from a liquidity perspective, we have received additional credit lines from our banks, so we're well positioned to manage that current situation.
Just on the linkages to Russia, though, I believe a month ago you confirmed to us that RWE was one of the companies that received a force majeure from Gazprom with respect to the Nord Stream pipeline. What do you plan on doing about that, and what is your expectation regarding Russian gas flows through that pipeline?
I mean, first of all, our perspective is very clear that this is not a force majeure case. And obviously, we're now looking into what are the next steps to take here. Concerning the Russian supply, that is highly uncertain what we're going to see during the winter and going forward.
Can I ask you about your gas storage levels? It is another clear focus of the market. And we know that Germany as a whole has set a 90% gas storage target by November the 1st. Where do your gas storage levels stand? And do you think that 90% target is actually achievable?
Well, the 90% should be achievable. I mean, what you see is that some storages in Germany are not yet at that level, so they still have to be filled in the weeks to come. Our storage levels are above 85%, so we are well on track to achieve that target.